Hi guys, this is Berry. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to take a tour of Phoenix Mall of Asia, which is in Bangalore, and this is one of the city's premier shopping and entertainment destinations. Spanning over an impressive area, this mall is a blend of luxury, convenience, and excitement. So this is the entrance, how it looks. So the parking area is at the basement. There's a lot of space for parking, and the charge is around 150 to 200 per car. So this is the entry from the parking area. And Phoenix Mall of Asia, which is in Bangalore, is a part of Phoenix Mills Limited, is one of the biggest malls in Asia, and it's built with objective of providing unique experience to its customers. And this is located across 13 acres, and it contains 300 leading brands in its prime retail. And this mall is located at the Nagar branch, which is near to the Hebbal. Here it includes from high-end fashion to everyday essentials. You can find everything under one roof. Whether you are looking for the latest trends or timeless classics, there is something here for every shopper. And we can say that this is the India's first luxury retail mall to usher in the new age of shopping and leisure, conceptualized as a destination that breaks the boundaries between retailer and the shopper. Your time spent here is unique, sophisticated, and chic designs featuring awe-inspiring facades and entrances, nature-inspired installations, dynamic spaces, and experience. Each floor is thematically designed to look straight out of a painting. An open plan adds to the fun, seamless journey as you meander through these spaces. And this was my first visit to the mall, and trust me, I was not disappointed. A very vibrant mall and quaint place. Although there are few shops under development, around 80 to 85% is completely developed and running. You will find a plenty of food options in the food courts. A little crowded over the weekend, so check out your time. And at the top floor, you find the food area and gaming zones. There are a lot of games to be enjoyed for kids if you're planning with your family. And there's a bowling area as well. So if you're going with kids, you can enjoy a lot at this place. There are a lot of activities you can try it out. And this the mall isn't just about shopping and dining, it's an entertainment hub with state-of-art cinemas, interactive gaming zones, known as this is also called as time zone here, and live performance. There's always something fun and exciting happening here. In this gaming zone, there are a lot of various games. If you're going with kids, you can enjoy them. This is the open space where the live concerts will be happening, and the food court is a bit crowded during the weekend. So, and here there are a lot of options for food as well. So, from South Indian foods to North Indian foods, Italian, all international flavors you can enjoy here. And the ambience was really good with the artificial trees and the design they constructed. It's pretty cool to visit. Whether you are a shopaholic, a foodie, or just looking for a great day out, Phoenix Mall of Asia has something for everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing tours and insights.